Fabulous farmhouse lovingly restored in Ward, Arkansas for sale. The home features original shiplap walls in master, kitchen, and dining. Main floor has 10-foot ceilings. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has 1,940 square feet with a huge great room with cathedral ceilings and exposed wood. Updates include, all new PEX plumbing lines, new drain lines, new LED lighting, new mini split in great room, new flooring, subflooring and structural support, new foundation block. Too many updates to list. Like to work on things? This home has a 20-foot by 56-foot heated/cooled detached garage with automatic door opener, a 20-foot by 28-foot workshop with power, roll-up door and tractor shed. Did I mention it sits on 1.25 acres too? Plenty of room for a garden. Sellers estimate the home is up to 100 years old. No records are available at the courthouse related to age. Call today for your showing. This unique home won't last long.